I have a weeping cherry with a serious shot hole problem. How can I keep my cherries from getting shot hole disease? And this is Claire from Mount Airy, North Carolina. All right, Mr. D, we know a little bit about the shot hole disease here.
There are two causes of the shot hole on the leaves of cherry trees.
Okay.
One is a bacterial leaf spot, which will basically cause the spots on the leaves, and then they'll turn dark and fall out, and it gives the shot hole appearance. And then the other is a cherry leaf spot, which is caused by fungus disease. I noticed on the new fruit spray guide that UT put out last year, and I just saw that the other day, they have included cherry with peaches and plums. They're stone fruit. And if you follow the spray guide, if the tree is small enough that you can spray it, it will take care of the fungal leaf spot. However, it won't do anything with a bacterial leaf spot. There are some antibiotics that might help with that, but I don't recommend it. Thing about it is the cherry trees can tolerate a lot of that kind of damage. So I would basically try to control the fungal leaf spot, but not worry about the bacterial leaf spot, I don't think. Some of the varieties are more susceptible to the bacterial leaf spot than others, so you might want to, you know, if you're swapping up, go with a different one. But
right, yeah, so yeah, resistant varieties is something that I always tell people about. You got to practice good sanitation. You got to get those disease leaves up.
Yeah, so that's something to check out before you plant your cherry trees.
Yes.
But you've got a cherry tree growing, I don't recommend you cut it down. And,
no.
You know, George Washington had a problem with that, didn't he?
I don't recommend doing that. But yeah, anytime you have wet, warm weather.
Oh,
yeah.
Both of those, the bacterial and the fungal, they like warm, wet weather.
Right, and the symptoms are going to be the same. Yeah.
Right.
So, yeah, that's going to be a tough one.
Yeah.
And if your tree is too big, it's going to be tough to spray it. So,
yeah,
it can deal with the damage, like you said.
Yeah, they tolerate a lot of that.
They'll come back. Yeah. The leaves will come back. Just pick them up when they do fall off. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.